In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Windows directly on a hard drive or SSD without using a pen drive. This method is extremely useful if you want to send a hard drive to a client with Windows already installed. This is actually the same technique many computer shops and companies use. When the customer turns on the PC for the first time, Windows continues the setup and feels like a brand new system. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need a secondary computer that already has Windows installed and working properly. This is important because we'll be preparing the hard drive from inside Windows itself. Take the hard drive or SSD where you want to install Windows. It's highly recommended to connect it directly to your motherboard using the SATA cable. I've already connected my hard drive in advance to save time. Now you'll need a Windows ISO file. You can use Windows 10 or Windows 11 depending on your requirement. You can download the ISO directly from the official Microsoft website. After that, open Google and search for Hasleo WinToHDD. This is the tool we'll use to install Windows directly on the hard drive. Open the official website and download the free version of the software. The free version works perfectly for this method. Once the download is complete, install the software normally and launch it. Now you will see the main interface of WinToHDD. Here, click on New Installation. You will be asked to select the Windows image file. Click on the Browse icon and locate your Windows ISO file. Select it and click Open. After that, the tool will show you all the available Windows edition inside the ISO, such as Home and Pro. Select the Windows version you want to install and click Next. Now comes the most critical step. Here, you must select the correct hard drive or SSD where Windows will be installed. Do not select any other drive by mistake. Double check the drive letter, size, and disk name. The tool will now ask about the partition style such as MBR or GPT. If you are installing Windows for an older system or legacy BIOS, choose MBR. If the target system supports UEFI only, choose GPT. Now, click Next and Windows installation process will begin. This process can take some time. On most computers, it usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes depending on your hard drive or SSD speed. Alright, as you can see, the installation is now completed successfully. If you are using this drive in the same computer, simply go into the BIOS and set this hard drive as the first boot device. If you are sending this drive to a client or installing it in another computer, just connect it to that target PC. When the computer starts, Windows will automatically continue the setup for that specific hardware. Now let me show you how it looks. I'll restart the computer and open the boot menu. Here, I'll select the hard drive where we just installed Windows. From here, you'll go through the normal Windows setup such as region, keyboard, and account settings. This method works on desktop PCs, laptops, hard drives, SATA SSDs, and even NVMe SSDs. And the best part is, the tool is completely free and works with multiple Windows versions. This is a super useful trick, especially if you deal with system repairs or client PCs. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to Techie Through It, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.